Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our touchpad size for Samsung Galaxy S22. So we need to go to settings first, then we are looking for our accessibility options, and in interaction and dexterity in assistant menu at the bottom we have touchpad and cursor control. And in here we have our touchpad size. By default we have set up as a medium. We can of course change it to large or small if we need to. This option is here. No need to save. We can safely go back to our home screen, and that's basically it. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.